everybody, welcome to another video. Today, ladies and gentlemen, Ruby's over there. Right, she doesn't want to be in the video. She's under the cover. She's playing the PlayStation. All right, I thought I'd let her go on The Sims, and she's playing PlayStation. She doesn't want to be in the video. Look how boring she is. Hey, there we go, got ya, wee. So yeah, she's doing bits and bobs on the PlayStation. She's playing Sims. And today, guys, as you can see by the title, I am going to be cleaning my car. All right, it's all right weather. It's a bit windy out, so I'm hoping, as I'm recording, my camera doesn't fall over because that could go really bad, you know. But apart from that, hopefully, today's video will be all right. I'm just hoping that it doesn't ruin the audio, obviously, because a lot of this video probably won't be me talking. You just get to see me clean the car. I'll show you bits and bobs around the car. But yeah, guys, I thought, now that you guys have seen my car, why don't I make a video on me cleaning it? So without more further ado, ladies and gentlemen, let's get the bits and bobs together, and then we'll head outside and clean the car. So let's go. All right, guys, so I've got the stuff behind me. All right, so let's fill up the bucket, get the hose, and let's make our way over to the car. Okay, guys, so here's what I have. So I've got a sponge, done. This is to wipe the windows once I'm done with that. This is for the wheels, the rims, alloy wheels, whatever you call it. Then we've got this. I actually haven't used this before, so I'm quite excited to use it. So we'll use that. This is for the wheels, a little brush for the wheels. This is, I believe it's called a chamois. It's basically just, I want to say polishes the car, but it doesn't really polish the car. If you don't know what it is, it kind of just gives it that shine, you know. And obviously, finally, this is for the windows. So, you know, we can spread it on the windows, make the windows shiny. All right, guys, I've got the hose here, brilliant. All we need to do now is just pull it all the way to the car. So that's gonna be a bit of fun. Pull it all the way over there. So just gonna keep pulling it. All right, it's probably better if I do it with two hands, but go keep pulling it to the car.
24 hours later.
Okay, guys, so as you can see, right here, hose is there, car's over there, so I have to move it. Let's move it. Okay, guys, so that's the car moved, as you can see. Right, let's get on to the cleaning. Guys, I just want to quickly say, a bird has crapped on my car. Nice, mate. That's really, really kind of you. that's that done. I got splattered in the face a few times. That's always brilliant. Sorry, there's a green wheelie bin rolling all over the place. I'm sorry. The thing is, yeah, weather's beautiful today, but it's so windy. Like, wow. Anyway, let's get on to doing the wheels. Right, that's wheels done. I think all we have to do now, windows definitely. I think I'll get onto windows now, actually, before I do the wheels, so I can let the wheels dry off, because before spraying it, you need to let it dry off. So I'm gonna let it dry off. And then, yeah, so windows, let it dry, then wheels, let's go.
Start.
Done. Right, so wheels on, as dry as I hoped, but we're gonna just have to go for it. I'm thinking I'm gonna use this again. It's a little bit damp, but who cares, alright? It's the only one I've got. So I'm gonna use this on the wheels as well. I've used it a few times on the wheels before, that's why it's a bit stained. Who cares? I'm not a professional, guys. Let's do it. Right, that's that done as well. So I think all we have left to do is, you know what, guys, I'm actually gonna skip the waxing bit. I'll do that for another day because I can't be bothered. So what I'm gonna do is chamois it and then see what the end result is. So with the chamois, guys, you gotta wet it and then squeeze it so basically until it's pretty much dry. As you can see by my hair, I look a mess. It's what car washing does to you guys. It's get sprayed in the face, and then because it's windy, it's blowing my hair all over the place, and now my hair's just a bit messed up. So this is pretty much done now, guys. There's a lot of cars out today, and they should be self-isolating or in lockdown. I'm pretty sure everyone isn't going to the shop, so I don't know what they're doing. But stop it, guys. All right? I know I'm outside, but I'm on my drive. I'm on my property, right? So no one's coming here, right? Unless it's a postman. But apart from that, stay at home, guys. Stay at home. Stay safe. Let's get on with the rest of the car. Let's go. That's that done. Let's have a look at the car. Guys, there's the car. Not bad. I mean, there's a few dirty bits on the car. Like, you've got a few scratches here and there, but that's from the previous owners. You know, it's stuff that obviously I can't get out. But apart from that, you know, it looks rather squeaky clean. I mean, you can see my shadow and my hair's like going mental right now. But yeah, guys, look at that. I'm quite proud of that. I reckon next time I clean the car though, I will have to put the wax stuff on. But yeah, not a bad job. I like it. Okay guys, so I'm in the car now. I thought I'd do my outro here in the car. It's not gonna be a long outro. Just thought I'd sit in the car. I'm actually sweating. I've literally just sat in the car and it's so hot in here that I'm sweating. Like, you can see, I don't know if you can see it. Gross, guys. Sorry to gross you out, but that's gross. Yeah, guys, there's nothing much to say apart from take some tips if you want to, some hints, whatever, from this video. If you've never drove a car, if you've never washed a car before, I mean, I'm not a professional. It's just something that I've been doing since I was quite young. I mean, I used to clean cars, not as a job, obviously. It was just my mum's car. But I first started when I was like 8, 9, and kind of from then, obviously, I've been cleaning their car, and then my mum and her stepdad's car. So I've been cleaning their car, and now obviously I've got my beautiful car. I can you know, wash my car whenever I want to. But yeah, guys, if you're wondering, obviously, Freddie, why haven't you cleaned inside your car? There's no need, all right, because it's not really dirty, is it? I have hardly used it throughout this lockdown. So yeah, hopefully this lockdown's end soon. Because guys, I'm missing my girlfriend, guys, so much. It's been like, tomorrow it will be 5 weeks, 6 weeks, no, 5 weeks since we last saw each other. And it just sucks, guys. It sucks. Like, obviously we're on FaceTime all the time, but like, what's the point? You know, it's just talking to each other about the same thing over and over again. I mean, obviously it's lovely to see her on FaceTime, you know, beautiful girl. Sorry, cringe. But yeah, I just want this lockdown to be over so we can see each other, guys. I just want to see my beautiful girlfriend. All right, we could possibly make a video together. I'm hoping to make a video with her. She gave me a suggestion of doing a video about doing my makeup or something like that. So if you guys want that, smash the like button, please. And there's going to be no like goal. I might as well just see if you guys want to me, obviously, to get my makeup done by my girlfriend. So that's gonna be fun. So yeah, guys, anyway, thought I'm gonna quickly open this door because it's, oh, that's so much better. It is so hot in this car, like, wow. Anyway, guys, so I know that it was a bit different. The video was a little bit different today compared to my normal videos, because normally I make gaming videos, so yeah. But if you want more videos on my car, just smash that like button. Let me know in the comment section down below. And without more further ado, I think I'm going to end the video here. I think that's everything I need to say. I'm not a professional car cleaner. I just thought it'd be pretty cool to clean my car. So yeah, without more further ado, I'm going to end the video here. So please subscribe if you're new to my channel. If you're not new to my channel and you haven't yet subscribed, please do that. Peace. See you guys all later, dude. By the way, I did shave. I've got like bogies on my nose. I'm so sorry. It's a hard life for me, okay, guys. It's a hard life. Yeah, what was I gonna say? Damn it, I can't remember what I was gonna say now. What was I gonna say? Sugar. I can't remember what I was gonna say. Give me a moment, guys. Give me one moment. Right, I now know what I'm saying, guys, because I've just had to quickly look at the clip. Yes, my face. I shaved my face. But now it's obviously growing back a little bit. Ignore my nose. All right, I did clean my nose before making this video, but obviously it's a hard life cleaning cars. All right, so my nose just wants to run and snot everywhere. It's disgusting. Yeah, anyway, so yeah, I did clean my face, shave my face. I mean, I did clean my face as well. So no, shave my face. Yeah, but obviously it's grown back since last video, so I'll have to shave again. Yay! Love shaving. Woo! Totally not a waste of time. I mean, it's not a waste of time, but it's just boring. It's just done. Anyway, guys, yes, I'm gonna leave the video here. Peace out. Love you guys.